Greetings again. Today I would like to share another word with you. I'm going to call this "The ways of the world are so against my nature." This is what the Lord spoke to me. The ways of the world are so against my nature and my grain. You have come to trust the ways of the world over time by claiming the truths you have learned from your experience and trusting in them. It is how the mind works, and I give you new experiences so that you can learn of me and my ways and begin to walk in the same level of trust in me, in the new, casting out and casting off the old as an old coat that no longer fits. It is worn and shabby. It no longer serves its purposes. Trust in me. I know that when I say trust in me, it is a concept that you can grasp with your mind and purpose to do in your heart, but walking it out is the real test. When you trust, you feel safe and secure. Do you feel safe and secure in my arms? Not yet. It's okay. Do not be so hard on yourself. It's not a sin as you think it. Although some lack of trust is sinful, some of it comes from the practical process of learning with both your head and your heart to trust the one who is faithful, has promised to be faithful. For I have said, I am faithful and true, and you must trust this in your mind. But I am not beyond proving myself to you. For how can truth be truth without substance to back it up? I am that substance. I am truth, and when you have my perspective gained through your experience of me and my teaching you what you need to know, you have that substance, that truth, that which you can put your trust in, and I will be faithful to you. If at some point you question me, come to me, wait on me, ask me for my perspective. Ask for the ancient paths that you might walk in them. Amen. Be blessed.